Hi, it's really good to have you this week, and personally, I'm excited that you're here. I'm doing a giveaway for you for a number of reasons. Number one, we find ourselves in such unusual times, which we've really had to flip our lifestyle on its head. We're doing things differently, we're working differently, we're functioning as parents, as wives, as children, as caregivers differently. We have discovered that we have more time on our hands to tackle projects and things that we've put off, maybe even more time to invest in self-care. And yet on the flip side, we are also dealing with a unique set of burdens and worries about the unknown. While we are in this sort of state of disarray, and I always believe in holding out hope and having faith in positive outcomes, or really these circumstances proving to be a set of opportunities for how we do things down the road. Maybe it's a paradigm shift, maybe it's a new way of looking at things or approaching things or a new door opening. But in the meantime, as we are all navigating this new world, I wanted to set aside some time and offer kind of a care package for you. I talk a lot about self-care on this platform and the incredible value I believe it serves in our lives. I have always felt that if we operate like a bank, we have to put deposits in order to pay out. And so those deposits can look differently to a lot of different people. But the fact of the matter is, you've got to feed your soul, you've got to feed your spirit, you got to feed yourself from the outside in and do things that make you feel good so that you can be better for not only yourself but for other people too. So I have kind of amassed a really nice, I think, selection of products that I would like to be able to give to you for you to kind of carve out that time for yourself during these times, whether it's a few minutes a day, whether it's an hour a week, whatever it looks like for you. I know it's individual and personal, but I think I have some really neat things here that you might enjoy, that might help you kind of take your foot off of the gas, hit the brake a little bit, know that you're taking care of yourself for when we're hitting the accelerator and coming out on the other side. So let me launch in with all these wonderful products. I think a lot of it is skincare focused. And I'm going to start off with a face mask. And this is Glowing Skin Gold Foil Sheet Mask. And it's an ultra hydrating mask made in Korea. And what I love to do with these is just put them in a refrigerator, let it chill. And then after you've gotten up in the morning, it's wonderful to put this mask on. It has a great cooling effect. It's got gold apple extract, wild cherry extract, and chamomilla flower extract. So natural ingredients, chill it, chill yourself out, put it on, and I think it will be incredibly refreshing for you and a wonderful way to really start your day. So now I want to move on to a skincare line that I have recently featured on this channel that I'm really liking. As you know, I've always been a fan of natural products, but specifically the healing power and properties of Manuka honey. This line that I'd like to share with you is Power of New Zealand, and I'm going to start with the Bee Venom Super Mask. It's a potent concentrated Manuka honey super mask to create stunning ageless skin, as they say. It uses powerful bee venom serum to help combat the effects of urban pollution and aging. Bee venom stimulates repair and radiance. Manuka honey and the unique Vinyasa extract from kiwi and grapes brighten and tighten your skin, boosting hydration, radiance, and rapid repair. So we're going to start with this super mask that you will do once or twice a week. And then this is something that I use every day, and it's the next product, and it's also a Power of New Zealand product. It is Bee Venom Super Serum, an energized concentrated bee venom serum to give you younger, brighter, and vibrant skin. So this is something that I would put on right after I've washed my face, and it's kind of a brownish color serum. And you blend it in, you rub it in, you can follow it up with your moisturizer and any sunscreen for the daytime, and then apply your makeup. There's another product in this line, and it's the last one, and it's for nighttime. And this is Manuka and Reishi Night Oil by Power of New Zealand for smooth, even tone, and radiant skin. I have become a huge fan of oils. I find that as I get a little bit older, my skin gets a little drier. Want something of an oil-based but not greasy, something that penetrates and feels good on the skin, doesn't clog pores, doesn't create acne or anything like that. So I've really been transitioning a lot to facial oils at nighttime and have been very happy with doing that. I have one more. I have a new product that I've just been introduced to that I want to throw in as well, just because the oils aren't super large products. So this is another oil. This is by a company called INSOO. It's Night Elixir, Mega Anti-Aging Vitamins. Similar idea, it delivers these nutrients below the skin surface to combat aging. It's great for fine lines, dull, dry, or sun-damaged skin. So this one you use at nighttime too. So that's taking care of the face. I also want to throw in something, and I think that because we are not, for the most part, wearing a lot of makeup these days, we might be forgetting to exfoliate our skin. Super important. If you don't, you may notice you're starting to get blackheads or whiteheads because we're not exfoliating as much as we used to. So I'm throwing in Rodan and Field's Enhancement Microdermabrasion Paste to the mix. This is something that you can also use once or twice a week to help get rid of those dead skin cells. It's a wonderful primer for any type of skin serum or product that you're using on your skin to be able to penetrate deeper. So let's not forget to exfoliate. We want to keep our skin clear and breakout free. Okay, that's the face. Moving on to the neck. I don't know if you've heard of INSOO, but they make these wonderful patches that you can place in different parts of your body, under your eye, your neck, your chest area. So this one is INSOO Neck Lift, and it's Overnight Wrinkle Smoothing Patch. It hydrates, plumps, and firms delicate skin around the neck overnight for the appearance of a smoother, tighter, uplifted look in the morning. Who on earth wouldn't want that? So anyway, comes in a nice packet like this. You take it out, you put it on at night, you go to sleep, and you wake up and you're just as smooth as can be, especially after doing your face oils and your neck patch and all of that. You'll be excited. You're going to go out and see people. I don't know, maybe save this toward the end when we can all go out. Let's move on to a couple of hair products now. I have a lot of questions from you all and concerns about thinning hair, so I wanted to throw in a thickening product. This one is by Eufora, Thickening Scalp Treatment for Fine and Thinning Hair. It nourishes and protects the scalp, helps prevent follicle atrophy, and anchors the hair bulb to help prevent fallout. So to use it, you spray directly on the scalp where thinning exists, and you massage into the scalp morning and evening on dry or damp hair. Do not rinse out. And then you can use your styling products and go on from there. But this should be a big help for those of you who are experiencing some hair thinning. Hair thinning can happen due to a number of reasons: stress, hormones, thyroid, and on and on and on. And those things tend to drop as we get a little bit older. So I'm happy to include this in the package. Up next is something to make your hair look brilliant and shiny. It is by Color Wow. It's Pop and Lock High Gloss Finishing Brilliance, and it's just a tiny bit, but it really gives you this incredible shine. It also helps to lock in color. It's a finishing product, so after you have blown out your hair, a tiny pump is all you need. Rub it in the palm of your hands and just rub it through your hair, especially concentrating on the ends. You don't want to get it toward the scalp because it can make your hair greasier quicker, which means more washing, which is not a good thing. So we're going to have real pretty shiny hair, even though we're all, kind of due for a haircut. As you know, not that long ago, I did a video on magnetic eyelashes. I'm a big fan of those, especially since nobody's getting to the salon for lash extensions. I find it easy to put on. I know you all are still struggling, at least some of you, with getting the lashes and the magnets to clamp in the right spot. So let me just direct you to that tutorial of how to apply magnetic lashes. But I'm including these. These are Ardell Professional Magnetic Accents. I love the accents that go basically from half of the lash line out to the side to create a little bit more of a winged look. I find the smaller the lash is, the easier it is to apply. So my fingers are crossed that you're going to be able to get these babies on your lashes, but they're included in this giveaway too. And last but not least, I have given away their necklaces before. Love the product. I just think the concept is so cool. They're so pretty. Fairchild Baldwin, and it's up high, and I love the color. This blue, I think it's wonderful for spring and summer, and you'll probably find a lot of things to go with it. If you have shorter hair, or especially if you pull your hair up, high, thick necklaces like this really become the focal point. And it's, how easy is that? So a Fairchild Baldwin necklace is yours as well. I am so happy to be able to provide these for you. I hope this is something that interests you. In terms of the giveaway, I'm doing it a little differently this time, so pay attention. I am running this giveaway on my Instagram platform. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's at Dominique Sachse. Please follow me there. Here's how it works. To enter, all you have to do is go to the post about this giveaway. You can find it in my Instagram profile or on your feed. Like the post and leave a comment about your favorite at-home self-care treat or product that you're using right now. You know me, I like for things to be interactive. We can all learn from each other and share things. So let me know what you're doing in terms of self-care and how you're making yourself feel good in the moment. So this one is running on the @Dominique Sachse account. I will leave it open until 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. Let me get the date. April 26th, so 11:59 p.m. on April 26th is when I will close it out, and then that gives 4 days to be able to enter. The winner will be randomly and electronically drawn from the comment section, and then I will announce the winner on Monday in an Instagram post, so you will find out there. Act quick if you're into this and you're excited, and come over. You know, I always talk about joining me on social media, and the reason why I want you there with me is that I, as you know, publish videos every Thursday at 1 o'clock. So it's a once a week thing for me on YouTube. But I am very frequently on my social media platforms, especially Instagram. And so there are a lot of different things that I share and that we can talk about. So it's like a continuing conversation if you're with me over there. At this point, I always open it up for comments and suggestions of what you need in future videos from me. I listen and I pay attention, and I offer so much gratitude for your input and your suggestions. You know, what you offer me gives me content to be able to offer everybody else on this platform. So you have the power to impact and affect a lot of women that way just by offering your suggestions. So please do so. As always, all the social media places where you can follow me, subscribe to my videos, click the bell, ring it. You'll get notifications. You know, it's just so important that we're all here together for each other, and really helping to improve one another's lives. I think these platforms offer such an array of opportunity for women to be gifts to other women and to really advance the conversation and to be honest and truthful about where we are and what we need and what we're looking for in life. So let's keep it going. Go out, be bold, and be blessed. Good luck to you. I'll announce on Monday, and then I'll see you next Thursday right here on YouTube. Take care.